So, guys, you know what time it is.
What time's that then?
It's Philippines time.
Yay! Yes, by the time you tune in and watch this video, we are going to be sky high Manila bound.
Oh yeah.
For our very first trip to the Philippines.
Oh, we're so excited. We've been wanting to go to the Philippines for ages. We've seen so many other vloggers there and all they do is praise. But now it's our turn.
Yep, we can't wait to get stuck into the nitty gritty, search every nook and cranny.
And try some of that coconut moonshine.
All you ever do is think about booze.
I had an orange juice last night.
Anyway, we hope that you can come along and join us for the ride.
So this is going to be our first taste of the Philippines. A mock chicken adobo. We have got nothing to compare it against. Check this baby out. Hey,
Oh guys,
look at this.
Garlic rice and all.
Garlic rice, nice.
Cheers.
Cheers. Oh, that's lovely.
That is tasty, and if that's anything to go by, we can't wait to try the real thing.
That real thing will be lovely. Anyway, enough of our jibber, guys.
Yeah, we can't wait to hear your tips and recommendations for our trip, especially anything off the beaten path or a little bit quirky.
Yeah, and if you see us about, you know, come over and say hi. We don't bite.
And please make sure to subscribe.
Because we're going to find out if it really is more fun in the Philippines.